Well, here we are, back in the garage. As you can see, I got another project. Thanks to Patrick and Deanna. Hey, good job, guys. It's an old pop-up camper. We're gonna pop it up, see what happened with the cable, do some little fixing up here and there. Don't know if I'm gonna sell it, don't know if I'm gonna keep it. You got it cheap. Once again, thank you guys. We'll take some random video of what I find and how we're gonna fix it. Oh yeah, and by the way, this I found in the fridge. No, it's not a jar of piss. This here is, friends, a personal recipe. Homemade lemonade moonshine. Thank you, Patrick. Awesome, bud. Appreciate it. And it is really tasty. Well, I'm inside of the pop-up camper. We had a problem with the front half not lifting up. And I think I determined where the problem lies, partially. But I'm not sure how much further it goes. But as you can see, this is where 4 cables intertwine into one plate going to one cable. There's 2 of them, which are your front ones, which are making this thing tilt the way it shouldn't be. I got one here that's really loose. I got another one here that's intertwined and messed up and loose also. So that's where I'm going to start. I got to figure out where that other cable goes to, how it connects. We'll see what happens. Looks like I got some bolts to replace, so we'll get it figured out, and we'll go from there. Alright, well, here's what I was talking about. This bracket, this tube right here, that one that's moving, there's a little tab right here. It's supposed to be welded to this tube, and it's not. It slides back and forth. I'm going to re-weld that back in place. And I think is what I'll do is there's the other tube, as you can see right here. They run next to each other. Once I weld that tab here, I'll go ahead and take these 2 tubes and pull them together. I think I'll weld them together. Less chance of it coming loose. I think that'll fix that problem. You see, I got some busted boards and whatnot. I need to fix that, but that's minor. I'll get that fixed later. So that's where we're at with that. Once I get that done, then I'll get some new ends for the 4-way that's tucked back in that corner there. I'll get it run back out to the middle and fix them eyelets. Probably replace them with new ones. Rerun the cables on them. And that should fix our pop-up problem. Alright, so I've done some repair work. Last video I shot, you can't see it very well, but I've welded that brace in down here. I'm going to put some spot welds in, and I also put in some brackets. And let's see if I can get some light back in here. I got some brand new brackets. the cables evenly tight. And now we are self-supporting. The whole roof is self-supporting on them 4 cables. I don't know if you can see the welds there. They're not the greatest. Put in some braces. And then down over here, I put another brace there and welded that one. But we are self-supporting off of the cables now. No more 2x6s holding it up. Not too bad, eh? And it takes some time, it takes some thought, but if you take your time and think about it and do it right, you can get it right. And whatever you do, the cables, don't let them intertwine. Make sure they're all straight and even. They don't intertwine with each other, because that'll cause more issues. So with that, I'm going to finish this video. And as we make more modifications to this pop-up, we will I'll take more videos. I got a lot of other things to do. I got to find an ice box. There's some plumbing issues I got to deal with, but all in all, I mean, for an 89 Jayco, we're on the right path. We'll make some more videos and continue on. I got patches, holes to repair, and there's one there. And another one down there that somebody taped up. One up here, pretty nasty. Looked like a 2x4 went through that one. Probably when the top came down. I gotta do some adjustments because I don't have the upper part of the door in here yet. It's supposed to hook over there. Them 2 tabs in the ceiling before you fold it down. I currently have it sitting outside, so well, with that, I'm gonna end this video. Let me know what you think about my repair on the cables, and like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna keep trying to make videos.